What's up, guys? We're back. It's been a couple weeks since the no prep, no time race. I sent the original torque converter back to PTC to be restalled. I got that back right here. We'll go over that in a second. And I also sent back the first time I sent the rear coilovers in to have them revalved, and we got those back. So I got a little bit tighter on extension and a lot tighter on compression. So we're gonna get those back in there today, replot the rear, see if I can squeeze a little more anti-squat out of it without it being too aggressive, and just set the car back up in the front end as far as height for regular prep racing. All right, I'm about halfway through the converter change here. I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. The first time I tried to get this on video, somehow I lost all the footage from it. But anyways, I just took the drive shaft out, drive shaft loop out, and bell housing bolts and torque converter bolts. And I'm able to slide the trans back just enough to be able to slide that converter in and out, which is really nice. I don't have to undo all my fluid connections and shifter and a couple other things. So yeah, I'm gonna set this down and get that converter out of there. Oh yeah. Here she is. Alright, now we're going to unbox this one and get the new one in there. Alright guys, I got the new 9.5 inch 21-2 stator PTC. And I'm going to attempt to put a little trans fluid down inside of it before I put it in. Alright guys, I got just about a quart in there in that converter. I'm just trying to see where the pump is right now. Holy crap, you guys, I think that's already in. That's crazy. I line that pump right up. Okay. I was thinking that was going to be a lot more climactic for you guys, but it is what it is, I guess. Put this thing in here, huh? Dowels are lined up. Okay, Ron Burgundy's back on the ground. I just did some new instant center stuff with the rear end. I'm going to go into that with you guys right now. Show you what I did. So yeah, this is the new, I mean, it's a little bit higher in the back than it was and a little bit lower in the front now. New torque converters in, and I'm just gonna put it outside right now because I got a job I got to do on this lift. But yeah, we'll be doing some testing soon. Looking forward to trying that new converter out, man. That is gonna be waking it right up, so it's not out of its power range for 3/4 of the length of the track. guys, in addition to getting ready for the track, I'm just gonna throw in that we're gonna go get some fuel in Burgundy. I just registered it and it's got plates on it now. And insurance. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down there. I think I got just enough gas to get to the pumps. It's only a couple miles away. And we'll put some fuel in it. Maybe stop and say hi to a couple of people down the road. And we'll head back here before I swap the slicks back on and we head to the track to test the new converter. I only got $15 worth because I don't think this fuel cell will take much more than that. With the pumps and everything inside of it, I think it only holds like 4 gallons. Guys, we're at the track. I'm using my helmet cam right now. Just started racing a couple of minutes ago. I softened the tune up a little bit in Burgundy, and we're just gonna see if we can get down first pass, see how the track is, shake it down, see if it'll hold the scramble button maybe, and hopefully all that new anti-squat under the rear gets the tires to bite, man. Alright guys, just ran down the track, first pass, and the car stuck a lot better than I thought it was going to, especially since I totally just sucked in the burnout. For whatever reason, I hit the bump button instead of letting go of the line lock. So I just was all screwed up. The tires were not hot at all, I don't think, but it still stuck. So I added 5 pounds of boost down track and made the first 2 seconds a little bit hotter. The car went 597 there on 16 pounds, and 60 foot was like 141, I think. So not awesome, but It didn't spin, and everybody here's, you know, first pass was spinning and stuff, so that maybe is an indication my bar angle and stuff is working. The torque converter seems happier. It's definitely looser, and I'm just gonna feed it some more power and see if I can loosen it up some more. Go from there. It dropped like 1,000 RPM on the shift. I short shifted it at like 7,300, so hopefully ring it out this time and see it stay in power where the car likes to make power, like around 6,800 plus. That felt like a pretty good pass. I coated my windshield though in some water, so that little problem from Winterport in May looks like it's turning its ugly head. Or I just, maybe I got too much water in the thing. That felt like a pretty good pass. Otherwise. Alright guys, we got a PB in testing 2, 563 at 123. Unfortunately, it pushed a little water out. I did fill it completely full this morning, so we're going to go with that there was too much water in it, which is probably wrong. It's 90% wrong. I'm just not going to add any, and we're going to make another pass. I put a few more pounds of boost in it and shortened the ramp up a lot because we got our best 60 foot, so the track is doing pretty good. So we're going to try again. The converter's working good. I shifted that time at 7,800 and it fell to 6,800 I think, or 6,600. So that's looking awesome now, finally. So yeah, here we go. Testing number 3. Holy fuck. Let's go, baby! Woo! God damn! Oh my god. I'd say that's about all the track could take down track. Holy. Oh my god, you guys, that was fun. Alright guys, testing 3 was fucking awesome. Drove the shit out of the car and it actually went a 100th slower than the second pass, but it was super fun. So we're going into, I'm gonna do one more pass because I didn't bring any fuel with me and we're getting a little bit low for my liking, but I took 3 pounds of boost out of it, and I shortened the ramp up a little bit because the track seems really sticky in the first 60 feet. So I can give her hell and see what happens. That was another driving pass right there, but that was fun. That thing woke up in the 60 that time. Kind of too bad I had somebody in the other lane because I was like, oh, I want to beat him, but I should have sat there and let it build boost for a second. The trusty steed waits for unloading and go back in the shop, but that was fun, you guys. Thanks for watching again, and super happy with the new torque converter. I think that is the ticket for what we needed this year, and I can't wait to get up to a winter port where we should be able to lay in some more power and run some numbers, man. So August 28th is the next no time race. That's in like 2 weeks. And that'll probably be my next video, unless I decide I'm gonna do the head gaskets or something because of that water spray on the windshield. But I didn't do it the last 2 passes, so I think maybe it was just over full or something silly, so I might just send it. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.